Hey YouTube, I've been really struggling on how to mount this into the corner. You can go through the attic or through the drywall. I got kind of lazy, so I just bought a really long cord. Now you have to deal with a dangling cord and cable management. There's a lot of good ideas out there with quarter round molding that you can just go down all the way, or taping it. We are planning on painting the entire room. I need to do a little bit more research, but I'm pretty sure I could drywall, tape, and mud it. Let's get started. Got the camera done. We are all done with the video. Just kidding, because we have to bury this wire into the drywall. I am gonna use the staple gun to get it fastened up there, down there, and down here. There was already cracks in there, so I knew I had to tape and mud and repaint this anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and bury that wire. I am pretty happy with where we are with the cord management, wire management. I put a few staple gun staplers in here to hold everything in place. Going to get ready and tape and mud this cord into the corner. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it is raining right now, so good thing we are working inside on this project. Just finished the bottom and it's coming together. It's not looking the most perfect, but I'm also not the best at taping and mudding. Going to work on the top now. All done for today. It doesn't look the best because I had to freehand a lot of that up there, but gonna try to smooth it down tomorrow and then do second coat. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. I'm guessing this is not a very popular or practical method to hide a cable or wire. Gave ourselves plenty of space here. We want a coffee station here in the future to cover that. And most people are probably not gonna mud and paint an entire room to hide one cable. But for us, it's the perfect and simplest solution. We are going to mud and paint anyways, so might as well hide the cable there. Video 38 done.